Hey, from our backyard to your living room, from the tropics to your homes. I've only washed this outfit twice in the last 2 years, so it's getting its wash today. There goes nothing. Pot pie, baby. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell as well. I guess that's good enough for my yard clothes till another year. Wow. So you work hard, enjoy yourself. Life is for the living. Enjoy it. Love those that you love. Tell them you love them before they're gone. It's best that they know now than when you tell them and they're gone. What's the point? Alright? From our backyard to your living room.